this video, I will be giving you my honest thoughts and suggestions at the end of this video. Let's have a closer look at this Gosky spotting scope. I've owned this for over a year, and I mainly use this for spotting and observing the moon, the stars, and any activity from UAPs in our skies. It uses 20x to 60x magnification. It's a fully multi-coated 80mm green film objective lens, which provides a field of view at 82.9 to 48 feet, which is 1,000 yards. The quality BAK4 Porro prism optics increase the light transmission and make your view brighter, clearer, and delivers crisp images, even in low light conditions. It has smooth zoom and easy focus adjustment. A nitrogen-filled waterproof and fog-proof design enables the scope to withstand the toughest environment. The rubber armor provides non-slip grip. It has a multi-function sunshade on the 80mm lens. It comes with an adjustable metal tripod. Further distances, it would be mandatory to use this tripod for clarity. Otherwise, it'll be too shaky using our hands. So if you spot something real quick in the sky, it's best to use the tripod. It uses 20x to 60x magnification when you adjust it here. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Comes with a cover for each lens so it protects it. Comes with this bag, protective pouch, which is pretty durable. It's got padding inside, manual, a dust pad. The bag includes a rugged strap, and this bag is also waterproof. The bag includes a foam inner flap that covers your telescope, and then you can add the accessories on top without damaging your scope. Let's have a closer look at this Gosky phone adapter. So you connect your phone, you can record video, and also take pictures. It connects just like that, and you screw it right on. Next, I'll be showing you how to connect this in multiple ways and giving you my suggestions. You can also attach DSLR and SLR cameras. Gosky also provides the optional astronomical telescope accessories kit. Actually allows you to view space, stars, the moon, using the infrared spectrum. It also provides multiple filters. By using a high quality camera that can shoot anywhere from 60 frames per second to 120 frames per second with infrared, you can potentially spot multiple UAPs by going back to the footage and reviewing it in slow motion. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.